Hi, we are in a raintree forest and this place is really very exciting. As I say, the more closer you are to nature, the more exciting you are, the more peace you find, and you'll realize that there are things which are more worth than a gold. So this is a raintree forest in a place called Madikeri near Coorg in Karnataka. So we have Western Ghats here, as you know. So on this occasion I would like to quote one poem which is penned down by Stephanie McGraw, and I find it really relevant. In thy nature is beauty. In thy nature is earth. In thy nature I find my worth. In thy nature is peace. In thy nature I find myself. In thy nature everlasting greens. In thy nature there is more to be seen. In thy nature a beauty untold. In thy nature everything is worth more than a gold. And this is really very exciting.